Oh, the birds are enjoying downstairs. I'm working in here. Look at the birdies. They got a nice view. Right, birdies? Right outside. It's beautiful. The weather cleared up. You know Florida. Rain 1 minute, clear as a bug the next. So peaceful, and these birds are so quiet. I'm loving these birds. As you can see, my cats make more noise than the birds. Say bye-bye. We ate. I'm going to give them some carrots and lettuce. Well, let me show you the food. 15 minutes. You can make this. Very healthy. Hummus, which is chili, and I think peppers. Somehow the pepper. Then you got avocados, French fries, and actually these fries are good. No canola oil in it. And Mrs. Paul's fish sticks takes 15 minutes, and it's healthy too. No canola oil. Shredded carrots, and you can actually add spinach or lettuce. Very healthy.